it has to be a lot of compromising from the Kaizer Chiefs side because Pitso is very clear on what he wants. Give him a project. He comes with his own technical team. You tell him what are the deliverables that you require, and then he tells you the kind of playing personnel and technical team that is bringing it and the playing personnel that he wants. Then we work. Pitso is very clear. It doesn't go around the bush. So I'm not sure if Pitso will really work. The person that comes in my mind, but I think Pitso will be happy to coach Sundowns. I know he grew up, is an Orlando Pirates supporter. Pitso, he grew up supporting Orlando Pirates. At one point in time, after Pirates won the treble, he nearly coached Pirates. Then he coached Sundowns. But I think Kaizer Chiefs will be the team that will interest him most because there were stories that actually, no, Bobby Mtonga once told me, it's not even a secret. Let me just say it out there. I was in Melrose Arch with Andy Lengobe and other people in Bobby Mtonga. Bobby Mtonga told us that he once said and interviewed Pitso Msimane for the Kaizer Chiefs job prior joining Mamelodi Sundowns. He